Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your daily 1 million hamster combat coin. So as usual, just click on end per type 3 times. So guys, the first alphabet we are looking for today is H, and to get the H, all you need to do is to tap this logo 4 times continuously. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the logo now 4 times continuously to get our first letter, which is H. So guys, the second letter or the second alphabet is A, and to get the A, just tap on the logo once and then tap and hold it for some seconds. Okay, so guys, the third alphabet is M, and to get the M, just tap on all the logo for some seconds twice. So let's go guys. So guys, the next one is S, and all you need to do to get the alphabet S, just tap on the logo 3 times continuously. So the next alphabet now is T, and to get our T, we just need to tap on the logo. We just need to tap on all the logo for some seconds. So I'm going to tap on the logo now, and I will hold it for some seconds to get our next alphabet, which is T. Okay guys, so the next one is E, and to get the E, we just need to tap on the logo once, just normal tap guys. So guys, the last one is R, and to get the alphabet R, just tap on the logo and then tap and hold it for some seconds, then tap on it again. Okay, and that is it guys. So now I'm going to click on take the prize to claim the 1 million daily reward. So that is all for today guys. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below, like this video so that you get notified each time we upload new video on this channel. See you in my next video.